GCPL has a new mobile kitchen for use in our local branch programming. Our mobile kitchen has an induction cooktop, convection oven, and a running sink with hot and cold water. This is a lovely tool we have been using in multiple branches to teach food literacy, culinary skills, and food safety practices. At the Collins Hill branch, we have been hosting programs about pickling, baking, meal planning, and nutrition. We have even been able to use some of the herbs in our library's hydroponic tower garden. We've begun to have some regular customers who enjoy our mobile kitchen events and regularly attend most of our programs. We asked some of our customers to share a bit about mobile kitchen programming from their perspective. What's your favorite part about mobile kitchen programming?
I have learned new techniques. I am trying to get away from boxed foods. I've learned to make cake mixes and all kinds of things from scratch. And it's so much easier than you would anticipate.
My favorite part is meeting new people and learning new ways to create a recipe that you might already know how to make.
My favorite thing was learning a new recipe with other people. It was a lot of fun.
Did you learn anything new today at our pickling program?
I did. I have never made pickles, and I was dazzled and amazed how easy they are.
So I've made pickles before, but not like this, not like a home pickle in a jar like candy. And the whole process was super simple, and it was really easy, and I plan on making it with my kids, so it was pretty fun.
Something new, I realized that I probably didn't like too much of the red pepper flakes.
We have truly enjoyed having the mobile kitchen at the Collins Hill branch. We have a few more months with the mobile kitchen here at Collins Hill, but soon the mobile kitchen will be moving to a branch near you. Keep an eye out for mobile kitchen programming at your local branch or join us here at Collins Hill. We would love to have you join us as we learn more about culinary literacy.